Salvador. 4 minutes to go in the third period. Ibang-iba na ang kwento ng laro dito sa second half. First half was practically all talking things, but here in the second half, it's been all pure foods. Simon blocked by Peak. But there's a foul against talking things.
Usually bad things happen if you have big guys trying to reach in. Peter Jun Simon just got blocked by Ali Peak, but Jay Washington just couldn't resist trying to steal the ball from Peter Jun Simon, kaya natawagan siya ng foul.
Work to shoot para sa Pure Foods, Lanete. Launches one. Phone Pals can tie the game with a two-pointer here. Magee. Cardona for the lead. In and out. Yalimi with the rebound. Yalimi now with 11 rebounds tonight as Lanete goes to Raimundo. Raimundo slices through.
Kirby Raimundo had an open shot at about 12 feet, but didn't want to settle for that shot. He's missed a couple, went to the basket. Good things happen para dito kay Kirby Raimundo when he's aggressive going to the basket.
Here's Lanete. Apat ang abante ng Pure Foods, 58-54 as we hit the 3-minute mark of the third quarter as Ralini misses. Here's Alapag. Alapag on the move. Here's Cardona. Floater. Yes!
Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina, Miko. Doesn't matter kung malit ang bantay niya, parehong height. O yung 7-footer, harap-harapan, hindi pa rin masupalpal yung teardrop nitong si Mac Cardona.
And Cardona has 15 points in the game. Pero labang pa rin ng Pure Foods, 58-56. 10 to shoot para sa Giants. Here's Raimundo against Peak. Raimundo. Pull-up is good. Oh, and there's a backward violation. Actually, an inbound violation against the Phone Pass.
That's gonna hurt because that's an unforced error para dito sa talk and text.
So timeout muna tayo dito sa Antipolo. Lamang ng apat ang Pure Foods, 60-56 here in the third quarter.